And without further ado, I bring to you, this is going to be one of my favorite jobs ever. Ever. And when I say ever, I mean ever. Modern, sleek, clean cut. Man, look at these trees. What? I just noticed this tree. This thing is wicked, dude. Here we go. Let's do a walkthrough. Beginning. What is the beginning like? This is all going to be pavers, and they're going to be these types of pavers right here. Alright, now we're going here. Cool. This is all going to be paving. Oh, so much dirt is going to be coming out of here. It's going to be insane. Insane in the membrane. Insane. Look at that. What? Man. A lot of plants are coming. A lot of trees are coming. It's ready to go time. It's go time, baby. Interrupting the special broadcast because it's Christmas time, baby. New program is out. What I would do different, knowing what I know today, 3 years ago. If I take my mind and pluck it into my body 3 years ago, what I would do. Business would be so different right now. Oh my God. Stick around. Ho, ho, ho. Let's go. Alright, well, I was gone for 5 days at GIE, but work still went on. So check it out. Let's take you on a little cruise and show you what we got going on. Take you on a cruise. Concrete's coming Wednesday. We're missing one light. We don't know where it is. There's one light that shines up on this little pillar deal. I don't know where it is. We have to find it. Concrete all the way. So this is going to be a stair. It's going to be a step. Booyah. That looks pretty sick. It looks dirty right now. Well, it doesn't look dirty. It is dirty right now. But once it's clean, ooh-wee. These are so modern and so good looking. But man, are they expensive. But don't tell anyone though. Just between me and you. They are expensive. Alright. That's about it on this one. And then we also have concrete here, but this is going to be in sections. Pretty good. Pretty good. Got the concrete in. It's here. Truck number 2, baby. And black gold. Black gold. Just kidding. Just black concrete. Wish it was black gold, man. He's making a lot more money for his oil. Okay, concrete is finished, poured. Ran a little short here, not a big deal. I ordered 28 yards. I wish I would have just ordered another 29. These pavers right here are gonna go on top, just like that. And so it has to be a little bit lower, so it didn't matter. But we're just gonna get a little pallet of concrete tomorrow and then mix it in. Bada bing, bada bang. All right, YouTube land. This is it. Wrapping up the job. We're finished with it. I'm gonna take you on a little cruise, a little spin, show you what the job is like at the end, give you some narrative, and then afterwards I'm gonna show you what it looks like at nighttime. Because remember, these lights, they're color. They're not just normal dinky lights. The customer dropped like 25, 30 grand on these lights, I think, and I'm telling you, worth every penny. Number one, see right there? Those people have decorations. They got a little snowman, and they got a bunch of other stuff, and they got some Christmas lights. You don't need that here, dude. The front light, Christmas comes, change all the lights red and green. Halloween comes, orange. When Hanukkah comes, you change everything green for money. But everything's set up. I'm gonna take you on a cruise. Let's go. This is a dark color driveway, dark gray. And what's cool about this is it has slabs. See, 1 slab, 2 slab, 3 slab, 4 slabs, and then we sliced it down the middle. But it looks very clean and modern, and sharp lines is what we were going for. Sharp lines. Here we put in 3 lights. Those are sweet. These pavers are ultra modern, as you can see. White on black, baby. White on black. Lights, a bunch of lights. We got plants. Everything's looking good. And what we did afterwards, the customer hired a professional stainer, and he came in and he stained all the wood, and he put clear coat on them. Which, look at this. Look how nice it looks. Huh? Wow. And then over here is a little area where you get to hang out. Kind of useless. Like, when are you gonna hang out here? Probably never. But it looks good. And then we'll walk over here. Got stepping stones. A car drove through the house. So what we did is we built these poles. There's actually 6 or 8 of them. I don't remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, there's 8 of them. So now, if a car does ever drive through it, it's gonna save its house, which that's ideal. Then rolling through here, we did the concrete here. Valve box. Nice and neat. Wow. For all you haters. Money maker. This is where the yard looks incredible. This swing set is dope. You come sit down here, put your little feet up, and you're good to go. He's swinging away. This material is really, really special. It's porcelain, and it's sitting on top of concrete. Expensive. Air conditioning cover. Nice. And then look at the deck. Dang, dude. So we didn't build this, but we built the bottom steps. We built all the bottom steps. All brand new. And then stained everything. That was done by Henry. And then look at these lights. Special bronze. Those are like $500. I know. Crazy. Maybe 600. Probably 600. And then we got the barbecue. Wow. You want to wash your hands? Please. Go ahead. Oh, what's up? All the wood that we use here is Ipe. Besides the swing, that's redwood. Looking good. Smelling good. Feeling good. Massive trees. I want to show you real quick how big this tree is so you can actually like what? You like it? Pretty good? Thumbs up if you like it. This is actually my favorite project. The number one favorite thing out of this entire thing is definitely the color lights, because you could change the color. Imagine this purple trees. Well, you'll see. Imagine purple trees. Well, let me just show you. This is the side right here. Man, look at this setting. Look at this setting. Got a little fire hanging out. You get to hang out here, drink your beers, chill out, kick it, and then you hop on the swing. I'll take you first person. Imagine you doing this. Ooh. And then look into your backyard. Feet up, baby. Feet up. So, the fire's gone. It was lit before, but not anymore. Oh, man. I'm a poet. Did you know it? Oh, got him. All right, I'll stop. Purple lights. Purple lights. We got a swing light. There might be a sex swing. I don't know. What do you think? Wow. Incredible. And look at this. So I'm going to take you from the house. Show you what it looks like from the house, so we don't get all this light pollution. OMG. Purple tree. Purple tree. Purple tree. Green tree. Like, this is awesome. And look up there. Up there we put lights on the tree, and then here as well, lights on the tree. This is the patio. We're talking about modern houses. Man, this is a cool ass house. What? It's like indoor, outdoor have become one. Wow. 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 Okay. Got that figured out. It's Christmas time right now, so people got all kinds of lights. All kinds. But you know the good thing is, you don't even need to have Christmas lights. You just need to get these color lights and call it a day. No more decorating. Maybe put a snowman up, but that's it. Patio. Little outdoor sitting area. And then the walkways. Boom, 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 boom. Ta-da. Pretty good. Pretty, damn, spiderweb. Pretty good. Wrapped up, that's it. The job is finished. So I'm telling you, my favorite part of that entire project was definitely the lights, because I was the one that actually sold the customer on those lights. I'm like, dude, your lights are already $200-300 a bulb. I'm like, just spend another $200 each and you're gonna have color lights. We don't have to do it on all of them, just the up lights. And I convinced him to do 7. And then after he saw what they were like capable of, he's like, dude, order all of them. They're sick. And they are sick. Super dope. This is the future, baby. Color lights, purple trees, green trees, red trees. By far the coolest thing. The paving on that job was super modern. If you notice, everything on that job is just clean cut lines and rectangles and very long pieces of wood. The deck is shiny. The barbecue's the same way. Everything is very modern and clean looking with no clutter. Remember, less is more. Less is more. And these are my favorite types of jobs to do, because you have a nice open area and you got massive trees. Like, looking up, I'm like, whoa, this is nuts. Like, those trees made it, dude. Probably 200-300 years old. The job is finished. Customer's happy. I'm happy. You're happy. You're like, yo, T, why do you have a Christmas hat on? Well, it's Christmas, The The program is all about what I would do if I could go back in time 3 years ago and talk to my younger self. If I could take 20-year-old Tigran and go back to talk to 25-year-old lost, confused Tigran and be like, yo, dude, this is what you need to do in order to achieve success. This is what that program is about. Straight up. It's an hour. It's just me ripping from the right people to get advice from the mentors. What do you do for advertising? What do you do for employees? How do you treat employees? What do you do, like how do you present yourself to a customer? How do you present proposals? What's going on in here? That's what the whole thing is about. And it's really powerful. One of my best programs that I've ever made, I promise, for sure, without a doubt. This thing is gonna help you. It's gonna answer a lot of questions. 97 bucks, of course, it's nothing. Link is below, hook up, link up, and I promise you it's gonna be a game changer, But remember, last video, I was giving away a hoodie, bling bling, Christmas time. The question was, how much do you think I owe on all my Caterpillar equipment? And a lot of you guessed, and it was close, but the real answer is I owe $159,623.21. You guessed it, you got it. Hit me up on Instagram. You're gonna see a picture of me on Instagram with this and this with the right number. All you gotta do is DM me a screenshot of your entry from YouTube, boom. And then after that, you're the closest one, we're good to go. I'll send this hoodie to you, free shipping, all day, every day. Holla at your boy. Merry Christmas. Hook up on the program. It is a game changer, I promise. Some of the things I talked about in there, I was like, man, T, if you had this 3 years ago, everything would have been so different. Like I would have been twice as big right now because I would have had a blueprint. Like, dude, don't do this, don't do this, don't do this. Don't look like this, do this. Stop talking to this person, stop talking to that person. Get your stuff in order. Be certain, be focused, and keep doing things that work. That's what I needed in the beginning. It took me 3 years to get to where I'm at today, but it might have took me a year and a half. Who knows? I know it'll help you. Link up on it, link in below. This job was awesome. Good seeing you, good talking to you. Hit me up on Instagram, as always, and we'll be good to go. Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 mother.